Sorry?
All good?
All good, yeah. Walking is heavy. Keep going, man.
I'm going, I'll just go to the top of that.
No, you don't.
Where we separated yesterday.
Don't go to the place where we just stop there. So we're just about to getting the bike right now. And video. We are just halfway, maybe or maybe not, to where the bike is in the jungle. Already tired as fuck. I hope it pays off what we're doing. We will see you then. See you later. Wow. This get intense now. I never thought walking could be that hard. Anyway, I think we're getting closer to the T intersection. From there it should be only one more hill climb and one more descent to get the bike.
My motorcycle mountain rescue. He's 24 hours on duty, 7 days a week. And down in the link I put his phone number, so you can call him anytime. He's always available for you. And he does it almost for free, 2 beers. You're good to go.
Oh, yeah, 2 beers.
But if the bike is heavier than 130 kilos, you have to pay 1,000 baht per kilo. Okay, thank you.
So, this shit, we have to go down here all the way. Oh man, it's gonna be ultra tough. But so much fun. Yeah. Bike rescue part 3 now. It's 10:55, considering we left 8:30, so that's not too bad. And we're at the bike now. The bike is still there. Nobody took it overnight. Unbelievable. And it's a Honda. Nobody's gonna take it. So yeah. And now we're hoping, for fuck's sake, then we're gonna find a way out here without killing ourselves. Fucking shit. Okay, see you later.
Would you take me out on these nice walks early in the morning without coffee and my cigarette and being in the fucking jungle getting chased by wasps?
Now he's hiding his cigarette. Fucker.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. I'll have a coffee later because I cannot afford the beer right now. See, this is the way where we normally would go to do the loop, you know.
Yeah.
Wait, try to go on the right side.
We just lifted over there, isn't it?
No, over there.
Okay, go.
Go over.
Yeah. Okay, 2, 3, go. Stay there, stay there. You got the brake in that, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
1, 2. Beautiful.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Right, rest it against that load for a second.
Chiang Mai Mountain Rescue Team.
I am not signing up for that.
No?
No.
Volunteer job.
Well, you're perfect for it.
They couldn't even pay me to do it.
High five, high five.
My lads did a job.
Hey,
Very good.
Signoron.
You don't need to go to the gym tonight.
Cool.
Oh. Finished.
You. Holy shit. All right. Hey, there's Neil's glasses.
Really?
Yeah, just pick it from, give it to him. Give it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, you give it to him.
Oh, you can give it to him.
Okay, I have to get up again. Second.
It's on the left now, a little bit.
Come on, guys, big push! Come on!
Oh, fuck.
Oh, not enough of this. Go on, you Woody, you go on.
Yeah, okay.